guys, welcome back to another video. So, we're trapped on the island. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna get off. Ready? All right, let's go. We're going. Gotta be careful. Making it. Yeah. All right, we have to make it through here. So earlier I named some places that we went through. So we went through Rocktown, then Stickland, and then Rockland, and then Giant Rock, which is right there. Right over there. All right, I'm getting down. This stick is not gonna hold me. Yay, I made it. All right, so we're at this cool waterfall. There's two of them, and this is the first one. So we're exploring. There or there?
You want to head back and go to the other waterfall?
No.
You sure?
Not yet.
All
Alright, let's go this way. It's a nice open area. Alright. So, yeah, we go. Okay. Think.
Fishing here?
What?
Somebody was fishing here.
Is there worms?
Yeah, worms.
Is there any in there?
Let's see if we can.
Ew, no. Ew! Poop! Diarrhea.
Must have been fishing right here.
They're fishing for diarrhea. They caught some.
See if you can see any fishies.
Guys, I'll be back. Alright, guys. So, we're going to go a little bit more, and then we're going to go back. Ew.
Mushroom.
Ew. Okay, let's go. Alright, this way, then that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, this way. Where the sand is.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, yeah, there is sand.
See any animal tracks?
Right here, maybe. That might be some. Alright, now we got sandy shoes. It's like we were at the beach. Rock cliff. I don't know if we can make it there.
We can make it that way.
Alright, let's go. Ready? Go. Oh, now.
You got it.
Let's go. I'm making it, kind of. Alright, let's go. Oh, gosh. Alright, we have to go on this way.
Give me your phone.
No. Alright, go. Yeah. You have to make it through. We're making it. Yeah. Think I could. You think? Yes! I'm making it. I jumped from a wet rock. That one. And then I slipped on this. But I made it. We're here. We're on Giant Rock again. So, there's a puddle. I'm gonna put my hand in it. It's probably gonna be freezing. Kind of. I mean, it's October, so. Alright. Jumping time. Yeah. I made it. Oh. This is now Rock City. We're here. Do you think I can make it? Do you think I can make it?
Down this way.
No, can I jump?
No. Broken bones out of here.
Alright. I'm gonna go. I made it! Alright. We're gonna have to make it up and then we're gonna have to make it back.
That's cool.
Like 2 miles down there. I have to make it back.
We're pretty far up.
I don't know if we can make it up that
I
far.
see that pool over there.
Where?
See
Oh, right there?
See the waterfall up there?
Right
The
there?
little waterfall?
Yeah, that mini. Yes.
Yeah, I want to go see that.
Alright, we have to go then. Down here then. Go. Yeah. Alright. I made it. I made it onto this rock. Alright. Let's go. Woo!
That's where the fish are.
Right there, up there.
Yeah.
How are we gonna make it?
That's still cool.
This? Yeah, we can make it. Maybe go this way and then go that way and around. We have to make it. I want to make it over there. Then how are we gonna make it back? You know what?
Let's go.
Let's go that way.
Okay.
Let's go back.
Okay.
All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, so we made it back and we're going back through Rockland. So that's right here, right? Aren't we in Rockland? Something?
I think so.
Yeah. I think we are. Yeah, no, this is the border. Yeah, this is Rockland.
Here's Rockland.
Then this is Stickland.
I thought this was Rockland.
Wait, no, this is Rockland. Never mind. Yeah, this is Rockland. Then over there is Unknown Land.
Unknown land.
Cause
Bear land.
so
There are lots of bears around here.
the border is right there on that stick. So we're showing Rockland. All right, the border right over here.
Where the tunnel is.
Yeah, where this tunnel is. Hold on, not here. This stick. So you have to get through. Now, we're officially in Stickland. Now we're going through tunnels. Stick tunnels.
You lead.
Do, do, do. This is Rock Town. This is Rock Cave. This is Rock Cliff. So Rock Cave and Rock Cliff. It's pretty high. Let's go down. So we're in Rock Town. Rock Town's pretty long. So, time lapse. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're back and we're out and we're here. Well, almost. We still gotta go through a couple little sticks. We have to go through here. Down there's the cliff of the waterfall. Alright. Let's go. It's kind of hard because, well, it's kind of steep. We have to go through here. So, gotta go. I'm going through. It's very thin. See? I had to go through here, see? Yeah, let's go. Ah! It's harder to get back than it is to get up there. But it took less time, but it's still harder. Okay. We're going through leaf jungle. Because there's a whole bunch of leaves. There's a whole bunch of leaves. Alright, we're here. We're back. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back.
Super slippery, watch out.
Oh gosh. Alright guys, I'm back. So, here's the cliff, we're back. So yeah, let's go. Wow. This is crazy. Earlier I got onto the edge and I got really scared. I want to feel how cold it is because over here is colder. Yep, cold. Alright guys, I'll see you at the other waterfall.
It goes all the way down to the bottom of the falls.
Really?
Yeah. Get a better view here.
Alright guys, so we're back And we're almost at the bottom. That's where we just were, up top, all the way up there. So I'll see you guys at the bottom. All right, guys, I'm back. It's really slippery. It's a little wet, but we're down here. So yeah. All right, guys. So before we get to the waterfall, the end, I just want to show you this area. If it collapses, I'm dead. But oh wait, this is my cave. This is my new home. Oh yeah, never mind. That's like a 12-foot drop. Look. It's a 12-foot drop.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that. Not today. All right. So we're going to go down here, and then we're going to go back up and see the bottom.
There's more waterfalls here, Steve.
There's more? Oh, my. Yeah, there's more. Okay, let's go. There's like rock steps, but I don't really want to keep them. Okay. Yeah. That's a cool rock. Some really cool stuff. Yeah. Oh, I want to go down there onto that rock.
Yeah?
Can we make it?
No.
Oh. Well,
Not today. Another time, yeah.
I want to go out right there. We could make it, I think. Not going down there, but I think we could make it. This is so cool. I haven't recorded in like 10 minutes, but I'm climbing up here, so I'm going. Yeah. I don't think there's a way down the side the way I came up.
We'll come back this way then.
I want to climb all the way up there. Watch out for slipping. Doing it.
Are you going all the way up?
Yeah. Made it.
Coming back?
No.
Why? Don't you want to get the other falls?
Oh, that leads down there?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys. So we're going to go down to the water. So yeah, I'll be right back. Go, 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 go. Alright. So, ow. Ah. So, we're here, and yeah. I'm going to go down to the water. I'm just going to jump in. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. Stick almost hit me. All right. We're here. All right. So it's sandy. So yeah. Very sandy over here. Well, someone fishing over there. So I'm gonna put my hand in. Oh, that's actually not that bad. Wait, look. Look what I found. Look.
See? Fly fishing. Trout.
Bye. There he goes. So we just wanted to walk down here because it's really cool. So yeah, we might go on some rocks. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, guys. We made it to the second one. We're gonna go down there in a minute, but we're up on the railing now, just looking, and it's really cool. So I'll see you guys whenever we get down there. All right, guys. So we're gonna go down to the bottom now. So we go up here, and then we go to the bottom, right? All right. So we're just gonna go on the trail. I'm gonna go in my fort now. This is my fort, right here. This is my little camping area. I'll see you guys in the morning. No, I'm just kidding. To the bottom of the falls. All right, guys. So we're getting closer, and there's this cool cliff. I'm gonna jump off. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're almost here. We're almost at the bottom. We're going on the trail, and it leads us down. All right. See you guys in a minute. There's a bee. I'm gonna pet it. Maybe. Hey, buddy. Hi. Super cute. All right, to the bottom. All right, guys, we're at the bottom, and I found this. I don't know what it is. It's like a giant floating island. Giant floating rock island. Super cool. So I'm gonna go over here to the edge. The little waterfall. Here's the waterfall. Right there. Right there. Whoa, okay, I'm gonna walk to the bottom probably. Yeah, I'm gonna walk to the bottom. Let's go. Alright guys, so Alright guys, so I'm back, I'm at the bottom. So this looks really cool. This is where the waterfall is. Comes down and then it goes into the little area. Comes down. It's really cool. So yeah, I don't even know if you could. I don't even know if you heard me. But it's kind of cold, kind of. It's like probably 50, 60 degrees. Still not bad. Kind of want to go swimming because I'm kind of hot right now. This is so cool. Drop a like if I should jump in. I'm gonna go on to this. I'm on. My shoes are gonna get a tiny bit wet. Doop. Doop. So to the people who are watching this, the next video I'm gonna try to make it a Pokemon card video. Alright. It's like a foot. Like 2 feet. I do not want to get in. I won't. Alright, Alright guys, I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And we're gonna go get ice cream now. So yeah, see you guys in another video. Like, subscribe, and bye.